Want to supercharge your HS3 series with a free 15-year warranty? You can get it in two different ways. Method A. Share your SAJ HS3 series on social media. Complete 3 simple steps to get your free extended warranty. Step 1. Share and tag. Take a photo or record a short video of your installed HS3 series. Share it on your social media, like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. Make sure to tag our official SAJ account. Take a screenshot of your published post, or copy the link. Step 2. Submit screenshot. Log into your Keeper app, pop-up activity window, click View immediately, or go to My Free Warranty extension. Upload your screenshot or paste the link and submit for review. Step 3. Enjoy peace of mind. Our team will review your submission within 1 to 3 weekdays. Once approved, your 15-year warranty is activated. Just sit back and enjoy the peace of mind. Method B. Be our invited customers to experience brand new AI Saving 2.0 beta. By using AI Saving, you can get extra revenue and 15-year warranty.
This promotion is valid from August 30th, 2025 to June 30th, 2026. Don't miss out. Share it today.